Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find cat face filter in TikTok. So to get this effect, you can go to Discover and you can search for cat face filter. You will see the video with cat face filter. Tap on any video and at the bottom of the screen you will see this effect button in yellow. Tap on it. So this is the effect page. Here you will see the video with cat face effect. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see the record button. Tap there and you got the effect. And if you can't find the cat face filter effect in Discover, then you can go to this website. Link to this website is in the description box below. Here you will see this effect icon. Tap on the icon and you will be directed to the cat face filter effect gallery. Tap on the record button below to use this filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this cat face filter effect in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.